Hi again guys, it's Dan from FatRank here, and on this video what I'm going to be doing is another link audit. So I'm just going to be running through a site that I've found that's ranking in an okay position for a key phrase, basically just run through how I feel like it can be improved. So the idea of these videos is basically just to get some ideas out there for kind of backlinks and kind of looking at how a company can maybe improve that to obviously improve their Google rankings. So the example I'm going to be using today that I found is this Adam Bartlett. So these guys are a Birmingham-based window cleaner. As you can see, they've got their website here, which is obviously targeting those key phrases. You can see Birmingham window cleaners with content about it, etc. But we're not too focused on the website today. We're going to be focusing more on the link side of things. So what I actually did was, as I said then, they're obviously focusing on window cleaning Birmingham. So I put that key phrase here into this tool, which basically tells me some information about that key phrase on Google. And when I put that in, as you can see, the key phrase window cleaning Birmingham is currently getting 200 searches per month through Google, and it's a keyword difficulty of only 3, which means it's quite an easy keyword to rank for according to this tool. And obviously 200 searches per month is quite a considerable amount really. So it's the kind of key phrase that this company would definitely be wanting to rank for. I'm going to be looking at why maybe it's not ranking too highly for that in this video. So if I just scroll down here, basically what this does, it tells you more information about those rankings. And this is almost a mock-up really of what Google is showing you. So as you can see, it's saying that Adam Bartlett is ranking number 5 organically for that key phrase. Number 2 is this top dog window cleaning, and then obviously number 1 is Gumtree. So Gumtree might be quite hard to outrank, but that number 2 spot is definitely attainable because obviously it's a similar type of company here that's a Birmingham-based company that's trying to rank for that. So that's where we're going to kind of look at why maybe they're not ranking as highly as them. So if I just show you that in Google as well, just to give you a bit more clarity. So obviously number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there's Adam Bartlett there down there. So that's obviously the company that we're looking at today and we're going to be talking about. So the first thing that basically alarmed me when I had a look at this data here was if I have a look at the Backlinks tab, you'll see that Top Dog Window Cleaning really has pushed to build a lot of backlinks to their website. They've got 912 backlinks from 157 different referring domains. And just to explain that to you guys, basically a referring domain is basically a different type of website. So basically what it's trying to say there is it has 912 backlinks, this Top Dog Window Cleaning, and 157 of those 912 backlinks are from unique domains, basically is what it's trying to say. So basically that's the data that for this ranking for number 2. If I scroll down to number 5, which is the site we're looking at, it's Adam Bartlett, you can see that there are significantly less backlinks. So obviously as opposed to 912, it only has 205. In terms of the referring domains, the other one had 157 and this one has only 63. So the first thing there that kind of alarmed me was quantity of links. I mean, obviously Top Dog Window Cleaning have kind of seen that, and they've built the backlinks that they needed to for their website, and that's what they've gone for really, is that quantity. So first thing I'd advise for Adam Bartlett to do with their website is just to simply build more links, just to compete with people such as Top Dog Window Cleaning that are obviously aware of that ranking factor and are pushing to do that. Now that might sound quite simple, but what I'm going to go into now is kind of very, very important with this, and it kind of proves that it's not just about quantity here. So if I go into Adam Bartlett's website here, if I just load that up, and I pop that into this tool here, there we go, so that's popped in. What this is basically showing is the backlink profile of Adam Bartlett. So we're basically going to go into a little bit more detail of why maybe that backlink structure is not working as well as it could be. So we previously obviously mentioned quantity of links, but now I'm going to mention quality of links. And what I mean by this is if I click on the backlinks here, this is going to show all the backlinks that Adam Bartlett have currently got to their website. And as you can see, guys, it's a complete list of directories. You've got a directory from Wales Online, directory from the Mirror, directory from Liverpool Echo, directory from the Standard, all these newspapers, and simply what they're getting is directory links. So it's basically telling Google, look, we're a business that's located in this area, and we want to rank for Birmingham window cleaning. So what they're doing is okay, but they're not really that powerful links directories. They're more kind of the initial links that you might build as a startup business. So they're fine to be there. They don't need to be removed, in my opinion. But what they do need to do, this company, is build some different types of links. So maybe guest posts that are relevant to your key phrases, and obviously you're getting different types of links then to your backlink profile, and the quality is a bit more powerful too, because obviously it's on an inner page maybe, and it just makes it a little bit more powerful than having just a directory link. So I would try and diversify the backlink profile is something I'd do, and I think a great way of doing that is just building better quality links that aren't just directory links, because I mean Google are going to see that, and they're going to see that you've got these, and they're absolutely fine. They're probably not going to dislike them, but they're definitely not going to like them either. And when that's compared to a website we were showing earlier that has 912 backlinks, they had guest posts, they had a bunch of different types of links in there that obviously Google was preferring significantly. So I think the main thing for this website to compete in this market is to simply build more diverse type of backlink. So backlink type needs to be changed. there needs to be better backlink quality, so, you know, stronger backlinks, and they just need more of them. So it's making sure that when you are adding more, it's adding more intelligently, not just throwing everything at a wall. It's, you know, thinking about what you're building and building them to what you need basically in your market. So that's the advice that I'd give these guys basically. One more thing I'm going to do before I leave is I'm actually going to pop their site into a social links checker to make sure that they're getting enough social signals. So yeah, we'll get that done now. Okay, so this tool that I'm in now is actually called Signalboys Social Counter, and what this does, you can put in any website and it'll basically tell you how many social signals that your website's actually getting. So in this case, obviously we've got Adam Bartlett down here. I'm going to just press count social signals, and if we scroll down slightly, there we go. So it's actually telling us there that it's getting 0 social signals, which again, you know, Google is just not going to like that very much. Google likes sites that are shared out regularly, and Google also understands that if a business is succeeding and people are talking about the business, that, you know, generally it's going to be receiving some social signals as a byproduct of that, basically. So what we would recommend for this is basically buying some social signals. It doesn't have to be built up naturally. Google won't know, you know, if you're buying small amounts, it's pretty harmless. So what we would advise generally for your website with Adam Bartlett is obviously to, you know, maybe look at purchasing some links from somewhere too. We can drop some links in the description of this video, which you can click on, and then they'll help you find different places to order some of them. And obviously we'll have the link for this social signals in there as well. So we'd recommend, you know, finding some companies that can help you out with this. And like I said, they should be in the description for anyone that's looking to have any of these services done for them. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you guys later.